What to expect at an online library tutorial. While looking through your module website, you may have seen a link to a tutorial that says it was being run by a librarian and wondered what that was about. Or you may have seen something on our social media accounts about an upcoming training session, but were hesitant to join because you didn't know what to expect. The OU library tutorials are a little bit different to the tutorials that are run by your tutor. For one thing, if you join one of our sessions that are open to all students, you could find yourself in a room with students of all levels from all across the university. But don't worry, they're all there because they want to learn, just like you. We do also run lots of tutorials for specific modules as well, and those are the ones that you'll find in the tutorial booking system or on the study planner of your module website. Our library tutorials are designed so that how much you participate is completely up to you. Webcams are always switched off. You don't need to use a microphone for library tutorials, but you can if it's easier. If you don't want to use your microphone, you can type your questions in the chat instead. We will also never put you on the spot or call on you to answer a question. We do use polls and ask questions, but if you want to, you can choose to spend the whole tutorial sitting back with your feet up, just watching and listening. We never collect names or responses to questions in our tutorials. When we ask questions, it's for you to check your understanding and to let us know how well we're doing. So you never need to worry about giving a wrong answer. We also don't use breakout rooms in our tutorials, so you'll never be asked to work in groups with other students. Our tutorials cover everything, from how to navigate the library website, to referencing and evaluating information, to searching in library databases. You can find a timetable of our open to all tutorials on the library website. If you're an OU student or member of staff, you're welcome to come to as many of these as you want to. All of our open to all tutorials have a recording available with captions and a transcript. You can also download the tutorial slides and a handout at any time you like. So now the only question is, which tutorial do you want to join first?